We've got a new release to share with you today, and it's called Calendar Consent Tracking. If you're wondering what that is, it is going to allow you to effortlessly collect and document consent by adding a consent checkbox to your calendar settings so that you can now track time, date, and IP addresses of people booking appointments for communication consent compliance. Why this matters to you guys. As business owners, this really does matter. It's going to help you stay compliant with A2P and 10DLC regulations, specifically related to SMS appointment reminders. It's also going to save you time by automating your tracking. It's going to allow you to customize consent text, and it's going to save the IP address, the date, and the time. If you're wondering how to use that, I am going to go ahead and show you. I'm currently in the main navigation where it says calendar, and this is about what it will look like once you are in there. From your main calendar area, you're going to go to calendar settings. From calendar settings, you have the option to be in groups or in calendars. This works in either place. We're going to stay in calendars to keep things simple. Now we're going to go ahead and select Create Calendar. Now you can also do this to an existing calendar, and I'll also show you that. For now, we're going to select a simple calendar. And we're going to put in our details here, as well as name this calendar. Selecting our meeting duration, the days of the week, and the times that this appointment is available. And then we're going to go to Advanced Settings. From Advanced Settings, you are going to personalize all of this information as you normally would on a calendar, but I'm going to go ahead and show you something new that is under Forms and Payments, and that is our new consent checkbox. So it is automatically going to be toggled on. I highly suggest you leave it that way to stay compliant and to gather the information that you need for compliance purposes. You can go ahead and customize this notice right here to fit your wording and your brand. And from there, you're just simply going to make sure that that is on. That right here is exactly what you guys need to do, what is new within your account. From there, you're going to go ahead and click Save. And close. And now you'll see I have both of these calendars in here. Now, if you have an existing calendar, you're just going to click on the ellipsis here, the three dots, and you're going to go ahead and go to Edit. From Edit, you are immediately going to be taken into that advanced area where you're going to customize everything. And from there, you're going to go to Forms and Payments. You're going to make sure that you have still left on the consent checkbox, as well as personalized your consent message. Congratulations, you have now just added your consent checkbox to your calendar form. Go ahead and hit Save, and you're done. So in case you're curious what this looks like, it's pretty simple. It's going to give you a checkbox where your appointment users are going to be able to check to confirm whatever you have there in your wording. Now, to be able to view the consent, there are actually two ways to do that. The first way is under Appointments, and you're simply going to click those three little dots, and you're going to select View Consent. Once you do that, it is going to pop up. You're going to be able to see the name, the time and date, the consent that they agreed to, as well as their IP address. But let me show you the other way that you can go ahead and see this as well. So option number 2 is within the contact within your CRM. Now, on the right side of your contact area of an individual person's information, you are going to see what you can point to here is this little green arrow, and inside of that, there is a clipboard. That's what you need to click. And once you click that, you are going to have this appointment details pop up with the person's name, the date stamp and time stamp, the consent that they agreed to, as well as their IP address. This is the new feature. We're excited to release it. We know that it's going to help you within your business. And if you need any help, let us know.